Oh, jeez.
My mouth is full. Get out the party hacker today.
Here, you know what? I'll just take over, Lori. It is National Fondue Day, Cheese Fondue Day.
Mouthful.
Mouthful, legitimately. We've got...
That really makes me proud, Lori.
Oh my gosh, it is so good.
When you guys can't talk because of my food.
It's delicious.
Yes.
Okay, we are going to go all out and make this beautiful blue cheese mushroom bacon fondue.
Okay.
How about that?
So what do we have started?
Okay, so I put in some chicken broth. I brought it to a boil. Remember, I put my garlic clove in there first. Then I did my chicken broth. And then I chopped up some shiitake mushrooms. And I just kind of want those to cook for just like 1 or 2 minutes.
Okay.
And then I'm going to do the same thing with the cornstarch again.
Okay.
This time we're doing fontina cheese.
Fontina?
Yes, fontina. And this is Danish, and you can obviously get this at Harmon's at the ridiculous island of cheese.
Isn't it so amazing?
Gorgeous.
Like the cheesemongers and everything at the cheese section at Harmon's?
Yeah, they are.
It's so great.
Yes.
Now, I'm always worried about blue cheese not melting. Right? When you have the blue cheese crumbles, do they melt okay?
They will melt perfectly. In fact, what we're going to do is, obviously, see this? This is like 3/4 and 1/4. So you just, it's really, really strong. This will make a blue cheese lover out of anyone, okay? I personally love blue cheese anyway, but if you need somebody who's like, who needs to be convinced, ooh, you get to stir.
Okay, I'm gonna stir.
I'm going to put some dry mustard in there, and this one gets a little bit of thyme.
Ooh.
Oh, and then
How much time? Like 5 minutes, 10 minutes?
There's your bacon right there.
Perfect.
Beautiful. Okay, so
watering.
let's just say you're having a party, right? So I will host, and I'm bringing the cheese. Hi, Grant. I'm bringing the cheese, and you bring the potatoes, and you please bring the bread. And
And that's a great way to make it cost effective is host, focus on just the cheese, and designate everything else to everyone else.
That's a good idea.
It is a great idea.
So call over the family tonight. No excuse. Get some friends over.
Is this dippable yet?
Oh, go for it.
They're already started.
It obviously is.
We haven't even added the blue cheese yet, have we?
What?
Oh, come on.
Here.
Get that in there. Come on.
Here we go. Here we go.
Okay.
There we go.
Stir this
For remembering.
This is
and
great.
so we've done kind of the 2 examples, you know, your basic cheese and then your gourmet cheese for those who have a little more sophisticated palate to indulge.
Oh, man. I'm going to need some more bacon on that.
That is unbelievable.
Isn't it?
Yeah, it really is.
I'll take that bacon as well.
Yes.
Get in here close on this. Get one more good look.
National Cheese Fondue Day. That's why we're doing this. You don't have to go out to a fancy dinner or something. You can do this at home.
Oh, look.
This is great.
Chef Leslie with Harmon's, thank you so much for joining us. We're all going to just continue. Wait, I haven't even tried this yet.
Oh my gosh.
Who stole my spear?
I think I did.
Someone stole it.